Breaking judicial news: the U.S. Supreme Court just issued a ruling that could change how immigration and citizenship laws are enforced across the country. In a closely watched decision, the court ruled that federal judges have limited authority to block presidential orders related to birthright citizenship, a move that significantly reshapes the balance of power between the executive and judicial branches. So what does this mean? Let's break it down. The case centered around efforts by the federal government to restrict birthright citizenship, the constitutional right that grants U.S. citizenship to anyone born on American soil, regardless of their parents' immigration status. In the past, lower federal courts had the power to temporarily block or delay executive orders they found potentially unlawful or unconstitutional. But now, with this ruling, the Supreme Court says federal judges cannot overstep executive authority in certain immigration-related decisions, especially when it comes to how birthright citizenship policies are carried out. Critics argue this sets a dangerous precedent, giving the White House more unilateral control over who qualifies for citizenship. They fear it could lead to selective enforcement, erosion of constitutional guarantees, and a chilling effect on immigrant communities. Supporters, however, call it a victory for executive clarity. They say immigration laws should be uniformly enforced, not halted or reinterpreted by individual judges across different states. Here's the takeaway. This ruling doesn't end birthright citizenship, but it does limit how judges can intervene in presidential actions involving it. It's a major shift in the immigration power play, placing more control in the executive branch and raising big questions about checks and balances in modern America. As debates heat up ahead of the next election, this case could become a flashpoint in national conversations about immigration, identity, and the Constitution itself. Like, follow, and share to stay informed on how the Supreme Court is reshaping American law one decision at a time.